This is a closer look at the AviGap boat trash bag. This fits between a 10 and 13 gallon bag. And this looks like a really great item. This was recommended to us by some friends who have a boat. We just picked this up for a new pontoon boat, and it looks like a really great item. You could store the trash bags in here. Comes with this user manual right here. Just tells you everything about it. And let's just turn it upside down here. You can see here it's got a round. It's round and inside is insulated here. So you could put trash like directly in here. You could pour liquids in here and then you just rinse it out. Or it's got these snaps where you could snap in the 10 to 13 gallon trash bag. I'm going to be using a 13 gallon like Kirkland's bag in here. That's just typically what we use for everything else. But on the back right here, you see it's got the clips right here where you just put it around the sides of the boat here. And this just looks like a really great trash bag. Like I said, this was recommended to us by some friends who have a boat, and it also has a lot of positive reviews online. But it looks like a really great trash bag and a really nice way to stay organized on the boat. So definitely want to check this out. I'll be doing another follow-up video once we get it installed and get it in use. But this is just a closer look. You could see here, you could seal the top up right here if you have a bunch of garbage in here. And again, this looks like a really nice high-quality item. It's made out of canvas on the outside, and the inside right here, it's like a durable thick liner in here, like a plastic liner. But this company really did a nice job designing this, and definitely want to check this out.